Judiciary system haibasi Meeyam ki fundamental rights ngaknaba institution khaknate masidi Meeyam Da Socio-Economic equality amadi justice Phanghalli system amani HAINA ngasi THABAK POTHAKHRABA High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice SIDDHARTH MRIDUL na PHONGDOKKHRE wafam asi High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice SIDDHARTH MRIDUL ngasi THABAK pothakhibaga mari leinana pangthokpa full court farewell ki thorum amada mahakna phongdokhibani Chingmairong da High Court of Manipur ki court room number 1 da pangthokhiba full court farewell ki thorum aduda SIDDHARTH MRIDUL na hai mahakna law gi yamna ikai khumnaningai oiba sinfam asida changlakpa asi apenba pok'i law gi power asi khangbaga loinana miyoiba khunai gi thogal tongnaba law gi sinfam asida mahakna thawai hakchang yaungna changlakpani mapangal kanba singna swatharaba sing turakpa adu thingba haiba asi law gi achauba thodang amani Judiciary system haiba asi Meeyam ki fundamental rights ngaknaba institution khaknate masidi Meeyam da socio-economic equality amadi justice phanghanbani democracy chatpa leibak amada yamna tangai fadana muthatnaba hotnagadaba asi hunger amadi poverty haiba asini mahaki punsigi khongchat asi mioiba khudingda masa masa gi right ningthina phanghanba amadi socio-economic justice phanghanba haiba asida mityeng thamki mahakna High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice oina thaupuringai matamda phangkiba experience sing punsigi kauba ngamloi High Court asigi judge sing dagi hauraga official sing amadi staff thagatli makoi sing asi mahakna punsigi kauba ngamloi aikoi pumna makna law gi spirit adu manghandana bokhona si haina mahakna makha takhi
The function of law, as the Greek philosopher Aristotle said, is to prevent the stronger from having their way over the weaker. This guiding principle has been my North Star. If I were to summarize my entire journey, both as an advocate and as a judge, I would encapsulate it as being a quest for upholding the inalienable rights of every human being and the cherished spirit of human rights and socio-economic justice. We would do well to bear in mind that the judiciary as an institution is not just a sentinel to safeguard the fundamental rights of the people, but to ensure there is socio-economic equality and justice. I have always believed that a democracy, ours in particular, should be directed to eradicate the two principal crimes that we inflict on our people, hunger and poverty. And I believe that any system that does not alleviate people's hunger and their poverty cannot be countenanced.
High Court asigi court room number 1 da pangthokhiba thorum aduda Justice A Bimol, Justice A Guneshwar Sharma amadi Justice Golmai Gaiful Silu Kabuisu saruk yakhi thorum aduda legal fraternity maikaidagi Manipur ki Advocate General Lenin Hizam, Bar Council of Manipur ki Chairman S Braja Bihari, High Court Bar Association Manipur ki President Y Nirmal Chan, All Manipur Bar Association ki President Puyam Tomcha Mitei amadi Deputy Solicitor General of India Khomdram Samarjitna Chief Justice SIDDHARTH MRIDUL ki farewell ki waro thamki loinana judge singi maikaidagi Justice A Bimol na ngasi THABAK POTHAKHRABA Chief Justice SIDDHARTH MRIDUL ki maramda wafam kya phongdokpaga loinana farewell ki waro phongdokhi